Go. Okay, so the first couple of questions are just a recap of what we just did. So let's quickly do those. If I have x plus 2 equals 10, the opposite is to put minus 2 under both sides. Cross off the 2's on the left. X is by itself. 10 take away 2 is 8. Okay, let's do the next one. We have y plus 1. So the opposite is to minus 1. Under both sides, don't forget to cross off. Y is now by itself. 6 take away 1 is 5. Question 3, the positions are reversed, but it's still a 3 plus w. So the 3 is positive. I want to subtract the 3 to cancel it off. W is by itself. 6 take away 3 makes 3. Question 4, we're now subtracting. X take away 3 is 7, so the opposite is to plus 3 to both sides and cancel them off. X is by itself. 7 plus 3 makes 10. Okay, that was what we learned in exercise 2. The next ones, we are now multiplying, and then we'll go into dividing as well. So when they're next to each other, it means that they're multiplied, and multiply and divide are opposites. So the opposite of multiplying by 3 is to divide by 3. Now you can use a divide symbol, but the fraction is the preferred method, okay, because you might actually have to get fractional answers sometimes, okay? So we're going to use fraction, which means divide. 3 divided by 3, they will now cancel off. X will be by itself, and 6 over 3 makes 2. Okay, you're dividing. So let's try the next one. 5x means 5 times x. The opposite is to divide, and we divide with our fraction line. We're dividing by 5. So that will cross those 5's off. X is by itself. 15 over 5, which means 15 divided by 5 is 3. 2y equals 8. So opposite, that means times. The opposite is to divide by 2. Yeah, we need to stop the chatter. The 2's will cancel. Y is by itself. 8 divided by 2 makes 4. 7x, that's timesing, so the opposite is to divide by 7. Cancel the 7's off. X is by itself. 35 divided by 7 is 5. Yeah, we're getting it, right? 11e equals 22, so that's multiplying. We want to divide by 11. Cancel the 11's off. E is equal to 22 divided by 11 is 2. All right, finally, question 10, we get to the divides. Because here, see the fraction? A fraction means divide. You're dividing by 3. So the opposite of a divide is going to be to times by 3. That will cancel the 3's off. X is then by itself, and we're multiplying. 2 times 3 makes 6. Okay, next one, x divided by 2, so the opposite is going to be to times by 2. X is by itself. 5 times 2 makes 10. X divided by 4, so opposite of divide is times by 4. Cancel the 4's off. X is by itself. 3 times 4 makes 12. 13, w divided by 11, so opposite is to times by 11. Cancel the 11's off. W by itself, and 2 times 11 makes 22. So that means you now need to finish up to page 7 in the